Give y'all a look at this Prius that I put together, customized. I think they said, I did some research on it after, taking an Uber ride. I saw the guy, he had 300,000 miles on his. I was on the fence with getting something for my business, and I was like, I was thinking about getting the Scion XB, the box one. But then I took that Uber ride with him from the airport, and yeah, it's funny how the universe works, but that's the reason why I got the car. He had 300,000 miles on it. Told me it got over 50 miles a gallon. Plus he was, the only thing it really maintenance-wise major that had happened was he changed the battery out. So 300,000 miles, that's a pretty good deal. But I did a research on it, found this one, and the first thing I was like, dang, it's so ugly. So I like, dang, I got to get some wheels because they were like super small, black, ugly, and the wheel size I think was 18s. So of course I went with the 19s. Give y'all a look at it. Went with the 19-inch niche wheels. Changed the side mirrors out to black ones with the signal light. Found those on eBay for like $100. They shake a little bit when you drive though, so yeah, I don't know. Well, I probably would get them again just because of the look. And I had to rewire it and wire the signal to the signal light myself. I went with the door handles, the customized door handle with the logo on the front ones and just the regular in the back. Did with the strip, the chrome strip at the bottom, with the Prius on it. I think I'm gonna do something with the grill. I think I'm gonna paint it black, go with it black and have it looking kind of like the Lexus front end. I also went with the top. I did the black gloss top to give it that faux look, like I got a panoramic roof, but I don't. Went with the Prius floor mats and the leather from Clasio. I can get a good. No, it's not vegan, but we went with that. Painted the steering wheel. Took the shifter out and put push button. Left the radio in just because I didn't want to deal with having to reroute Bluetooth and having to deal with that microphone and USB that came with it and the steering wheel control. But I think I'm gonna change it out because my brother he had they have some what do they call it, the Android radios that integrate well into and is specifically made for the car. So I'm thinking about doing that. Let's see, yeah, Prius floor mats. Like I said, I went with the leather. It actually went really well. These are Clasio, they're custom made for this car, so they fit really well. Actually, I don't know why that's there though. Changed out all the speakers. Actually, I went with Pioneer 4-ways in the front doors. I think those are 6.5s in the front and back doors, and 3.5s where the tweeters go. I did add a woofer to it. Actually, let's see if I can get some audio.
Non-stop hip-hop on 97. See, they even flipped over a car. Cross some ARGs.
sounds pretty good. I don't want to turn up. Now the nigga looking at me crazy. So yeah, if you look, leather seats look alright. Floor mats. Really? But that's it. The 2012 Prius.